The Periodic Table by Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. The periodic table is a well-organised and incredibly powerful tool in the field of chemistry. It is a tabular arrangement of the chemical elements categorized according to their atomic structure, chemical properties and electron configurations. The organisation of the periodic table is based on the periodic law, which states that the properties of the elements are periodic functions of their atomic numbers. It is of interest to Theosophists as the regularity and interconnectedness of attributes that it reveals supports the idea of cosmic ideation. This is a concept postulated by H P Blavatsky, that there is a consciousness or intelligence behind the creation of the universe. Dmitry Mendeleev, a Russian chemist, is credited with the creation of the first version of the periodic table in 1869. He arranged the elements in order of atomic weight and placed them in rows and columns based on their chemical properties. In doing so, he noticed that certain properties repeated at regular intervals, leading to the development of the periodic law. Modern periodic tables are organised in a way that makes it easy to predict the properties of an element based on its position on the table. The horizontal rows of the table are called periods, and the vertical columns are called groups or families. Elements in the same group share similar chemical properties because they have the same number of valence electrons. Valence electrons are the electrons in the outermost shell of an atom that participate in chemical reactions. The periodic table is used for a variety of purposes in chemistry. One major application is predicting the reactivity of an element during chemical reactions. The reactivity of an element is based on how readily it gives or accepts electrons. Elements on the left side of the periodic table tend to give away electrons and are therefore highly reactive, while elements on the right side tend to accept electrons and are less reactive. Another use of the periodic table is in identifying the electron configurations of different elements. The electron configuration is the arrangement of electrons in an atom's orbitals. By understanding an element's reaction configuration, scientists can determine its chemical behaviour and chemical properties. To sum up, the periodic table is an indispensable tool for chemists in their study of the elements. It is a well-organised and easily accessible tool that provides a wealth of information about the chemical properties and electron configurations of the elements. Most Theosophists who have examined the periodic table believe that such regularity could not have occurred by chance, and that it is indicative of a consciousness or intelligence behind the universe.